Recording. Good. Alright, so we look at example 1. It says I want to represent the data by matrix C. So what I actually want you to do is to represent this table by just now what you call the bracket with the elements inside. Is it difficult or easy?
No.
Easy. Difficult. So let's see how to do it. Let's see how we do it. So in A, it says matrix C, right? So in matrix, it's always represented by capital letter. So I have a C equal, I have a bracket, and then the elements are inside. So this is how a matrix looks like. Just like how we did earlier. So what do you think you want to put? Definitely 13, 14, 45, and so on, right? So what we do is very simple. We just write down the numbers as we see them. Okay. Now I ask a stupid question. Can I mix a number around? No, definitely not. So the order is very important. The column is very important. It means something. So we cannot just anyhow mix them around. Next one, B. State the dimension. Marcus?
2 times 4.
Khalis? Correct or wrong?
What dimension ah? Ya lah, correct lah.
Correct. Correct. Okay, so we recall again, the first number represents row. So we have 2 rows. The second number represents column. Then we have 4 columns. C. Find the sum of element in the first row and interpret the result. What does it mean? First row. Find the sum. Means what?
30.
Good. I want to add. So I add lor. Add. Can you add them for me?
Oh my god, I need a calculator.
What's the answer?
128.
128. Khalis? Interpret the result.
No, wait. I'm not ready.
Zining, interpret the result. 128 means what? Interpret. What does interpret mean? Interpret means they want you to tell them. Interpret means 128 means what? Is it 128 apple?
Boys.
Total number of boys.
Total number of boys
In the 4 CCA.
in the CCA.
In the 4 CCA.
In the 4 CCA. That's correct. In the CCA wrong. In the 4 CCA correct. Understand?
So must write down.
Must write down. So, interpret the result. So,
Total number
there are
128 boys.
128 boys
For 4 CCA.
in the
In the 4 CCA.
4 CCAs. Stop.
So you
Yay.
like club
2 marks. Or CCA clubs.
Easy
Easy, right? I told you it's easy.
The express also say easy.
It's easy.
For the first time, the express say easy.
Start with D. Let's try. D means what? A. I didn't see that coming. So add the element in the third column.
There are how many girls in
Third column. So third column, what number plus what number? Didn't you? Since.
folk dance?
Yeah. So what do I? How do I add?
35
35 plus
plus
42, 77. So interpret the result. There are
7 students in the folk.
people, student, all correct. So there are 77
Number of students.
students. Students more correct because the question say number of students in folk dance. That's all. Simple, right? So easy. Ready? Let's go to the next one. Now, what does square matrix means? Putting. Of course, the matrix look like a square and triangle matrix look like a triangle. What does square means? Same number.
Equal number.
Equal number.
Each dimension is the same number.
You want to give an example?
Like 2 times 2.
Very good. 2 times 2. 3 times 3.
4.
I wrote the other one. I wrote the wrong one. So it means 2 times 2, 3 times 3.
Perfect square.
No. What is 4 times 4? Is it 16? No.
F1.
In this case, it's not like really multiply number. It's just order. This is order. Okay, so it's not the perfect square or nothing. What about one column? One column means what? One column. Or 2 times 1, 3 times 1. Okay. Now, is this the correct example? Actually, no. All these are wrong example because this is what? These are the what? Or the right? These are the order. But if I want you to give example, what would I give example? Okay, I just give one example. I just give a 2 by 2, 2 times 2 matrix.
Also, you must write down.
So the matrix example will be 5, 6, 7, 8. Example. No need to liquid. You just circle all these. All these are order, dimension. It's fine. But example means I can write a matrix beside it. Now, Hanis, try. If I want to write a 1 column matrix, what will I write?
Base.
I want the elements inside are 5, 6, and 7. How will I write? Do I write 5, 6, 7 horizontal or do I write 5, 6, 7 vertical? Vertical, correct.
Wow.
Next one row. 5, 6, 7. 1 row. Simple. That's what it means. Column, 1 column, 1 row. That's what it means. Next one. Zero matrix. A matrix where all the elements are 0. Easy? Easy lah. 0, 0, 0, 0. The next question is, really? 0 important. Okay, I'll start at 3:45.
Wait, it's not like that you start at 3:45 for everyone.
Oh, take note. I write in green. In matrix, right, there is no 0. There's no comma. There's no comma. So if you write comma, it becomes coordinate. So be careful. So there is no comma. There is no this thing here. So it's a wrong thing. Okay, next one. A matrix with the same order, corresponding element are equal. What does it mean?
X is 7, Y is -5.
No, X is 4.
Okay. Equal matrix means two matrix
Are equal. Cannot be
are same or are equal. Can I give an example of equal matrix? Example. If I have two equal matrix, of course this one means equal matrix. How do I know this is equal matrix? Because something equals something. But when I say equal matrix means 1, 2, 7, 9 and 1, 2, 7, 9. Of course they are equal, they are same number. The elements are the same. So this is an example of equal matrix.
Oh,
Do you
so
understand?
3, 7 minus 5, 6. Oh,
Do you understand?
yes.
Can Now, so then this is like a bit but the bottom, the question below then makes sense. The question below says this. Now I have something like this, but I have some x and y missing or blank or unknown. You want to make a guess what is x?
7.
7. Y is -5. So they are equal. So the corresponding elements are equal, are the same.
No need abbreviation, right?
No need. Okay, but can you copy example 2a? Copy example 2a. Let's say I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Equal. Let's say I have 5, 10, y, 20. Now, can I just say, equal right? Oh, y equal 3.
No, cannot.
No, 3 times 5. 3 times 5.
15.
There is a time something. Now, why is it in question 2 I can say equal means equal? Because when you circle 3, this also 3. When you circle 6, this also 6. That means it must be exactly the same. Understand? Okay. But the second one, it is equal, yes, but everything is like 5 times, like times 5 times 5 times 5. So therefore y equals to 3 times 5 equals to 15. So I want you to take note about equal matrix. It doesn't mean the number is definitely the same. You have to check whether some of the element must be the same. Or if else, a scalar factor, bigger or smaller. Oh, there's homework.
I thought you forget.
Okay.
Because I don't give
I want to faint. When should we hand it in?
No. We see next week we got O level. Yeah.
Oh, really?
Yeah. We got oral.
Next week got oral mother tongue.
Yeah.
So tell me a good date.
But she still want to date. After next week. We try to convince you not to give us. After next week.
Okay lah, then we don't say tomorrow lah.
Next week.
After next week.
But next Monday is youth day, right?
So what? Still you date. We still go out leh.
Okay.
Hari Raya later.
So, okay. So when is a good date?
She's still gonna give back.
By next Wednesday? Is it good? It's very simple one. This one all inside. Name me the order. 2 times 3, 3 times 2.
You want us to do right? Got Melta order later.
Okay lah. So is next Wednesday good? Next Wednesday.
Next Wednesday.
Next lah.
Next Wednesday.
Next Wednesday, just like Chinese New Year.
Oh, okay. Next Thursday?
Okay.
You know the oral until when? Yeah.
When?
What are you guys wanting?
So I should say homework should start coming 17 July.
In a way lah.
Really?
No, it's already 17 July.
I know, but you really want me to tell you 17 July?
When's the oral July? No, wait.
I know, but
Wait, say when's all your oral? Oh my god, cannot see so early. Oh my god, you see so early. Say. Who's that?
okay, I tell you what.
And about English oral.
Oh yeah, that's it. See, your one oral. English N-level oral. So fast.
Hey, the way you all mention like this one is 10 essay. Like this one is one essay. And each question needs about 2 hours to do it. Okay, I just write. I think homework will come in tomorrow. I think tomorrow homework should start. This is so simple. You go back, you see, you laugh. Like, 2 minutes finish already.
Okay, that's it.
The question.
Oh, I haven't give you.
Yes. Have lah.
See, cannot give tomorrow.
I can print, but when is our venue later? Hall. Okay.
So
I go to the hall and give it to you.
That's actually
Sure, got different
no,
size.
you send
But all of you will be inside.
yeah, why cannot take picture? Then all five.
Then tomorrow I give you can. Tomorrow I give you.
Tomorrow lah. Pasal Friday send WhatsApp. Friday.
No WhatsApp. Okay, now let's start. Now,
The picture like that.
so next we want to, after we learn equal matrix, right? The next simple thing we are going to do is going to learn how to add minus matrix. What is 1 plus 1? Simple, right? Same thing. Now, so if I say I want to add, the key thing is it must be in the same order. This is extremely important. Alright? If different order, can you add? No. Now give example. Now A plus B, can you write down A 2, 3, 3, 6. B 1, 0, 3, 1. Name me the order. First, what is the order of A? 2 times 2. Thank you. The order of B? 2 times 2. Is it same?
Yeah.
Then you can add. Understand? Same order, then can add. Now let's try. Now how do I add? Very simple. Remember that each element inside means special things. Example, if 2 means the number of boys join hockey, then this one also number of boys join hockey. It must be the same thing. So will you add 2 plus 0? No. Will you add 3 plus 1? No. How do you add? You just add 2 plus 1. So if I zoom in, it only means this plus this. I change color. This plus, didn't change. This plus this.
Then
I change color.
times 2.
This, plus this. Whoa. You get what I mean?
Yeah, get it.
I use black. This plus this.
Get it.
Understand? So the answer here will be simple. 2 plus 1, 3 plus 0, 3 plus 3, 6 plus 1. You need to equal, of course. The answer is 3, 3, 6, 7. Can you skip this step? Yes, of course. Can. But I just want to see how to do it. Now you want to try A plus C. Same thing. First, write down A. Write down C. Let's try the order. The first order, all of you know, 2 times 2.
Mine not the same.
Second one, Marcus, what's the order? 3 times 3.
Wow.
Wow, well
Not bad,
done.
you?
2 times 3.
You always do that, what?
Wow.
Okay. What's the order? Hurry up.
Still cannot think ah.
What's the, really 3 times 3, man?
Wait. 2 times 3.
Oh, okay.
Try to cakap.
Because my chicken so big, still cannot see.
So it's what? It's different order, right? So what's the answer? No
No answer.
solution. That's the answer. There's no solution. You can't. You must try. No solution.
Infinite.
No. Infinite means got answer. Answer very big. Alright, this one is no answer. Practice time. A plus B. A minus B. Tell me the answer. Ming Ping, first one. Joey, second one. The rest check.
Which is first and second?
Take.
So which is first and second?
A minus B is first. A plus B is second. Is the mic even working?
Yes.
It is.
No,
I can't
it's
hear.
not. Really?
But you see, got sound. But you can't hear.
Sorry, I cannot.
Your voice louder than the speaker.
Serious?
That's why you cannot
Push up a
hear.
bit. You try the whistle.
Hello?
Again.
Does it work? Faster.
Sorry.
Go when you might. Go when the pasal Gilang. The pasal the mic.
Oh, sale.
Hey, you cannot see ah.
Don't be rude. Just don't do it.
Just don't do it.
Drink. Just don't dirty the place.
Hey, you got table for what? Eh, sabar. Then don't need use ni lah. I like it. Kena bahan aduh. No problem.
Can put the second one first. And switch place.
Good question. Do you think it's possible?
No.
If it's plus, do you think it's the same?
Yeah.
Very good.
But minus cannot.
Of course.
Aiya.
So Marcus just teach us something very important. Let's all write it down. A plus B is equals to B plus A. A minus B is equal to B minus A. Which one is wrong? Minus. So it's equal or not equal? Not equal. Huh? So you write that down. I write down the answer. First one. Two 17 negative 1 0 negative 3 9. Second one.
4 minus 1, 3, 0, 7, 1.
Those who are done, try example 2 yourself. Read the question first.
Which one is this? Yeah, 1 minus 2. 8 minus 1. Sorry, I never use my phone.
The rest check. Homework again.
If you give this, I say I will become half. Half and inside the library.
Check your both answers.
Half in the library.
Don't bluff me, I'm not the only teacher who give homework.
Yeah.
At least they give
So
homework.
far.
Yeah.
Stop lying.
You're not lying.
Okay, check your answer. A minus B looks like that. A plus B looks like that. If it's wrong, let me know. Okay, let's go. Okay, lah? Okay, now let's all do example 2 together. Let's start. If practice 1 come out exam, you laugh. Cause very easy.
I thought you farted. So.
I farted.
I thought you farted.
Oh no, it's the mic.
That's right.
But example 2 is.
the answer?
The answer here.
It's 1, already.
Okay. Example 2 is a real exam question. Okay?
Are we talking about it? I think we're
Can we start?
Yep.
Okay, let's start. Now, it says max mark, science mark. No, the question very kind. Already tell you max beside the matrix, science beside matrix. Also tell you 3 person the name at the column there. So it's very kind. Sometimes the exam won't give you like that. In the second test, what do you mean by second test? So what is this? The first one?
First test.
Oh, this is the first test. So you want to write down. This is the first test. Okay? Our biggest difficulty or challenge is to understand the question. All of you can do, but when it comes to understand the question, read the question, not very good. So you need to practice. So what we know, write down. First test. Now second test. Wow, so many things. See?
Okay.
English teacher write so many words, but maths teacher write matrix. Why am I saying that so bad? Okay, now so then what metric? What is metric Q? What is metric Q?
The second test.
Oh, metric Q is the second test. That means the answer is Q equal something. Agree?
46.
Can you fill in the blank?
Can.
Okay, try now. Try it now. Hey. What are you doing? Disgusting? Oh, okay. What will you write? What will you write at Q? Come on. Faster.
I won't write anything at you.
Check. Is it correct? Okay. So in the same order, right? Same order. So same order means must follow the structure. See, so bored. Okay, next. Find matrix P plus Q. Easy?
Yes.
Okay. 今天 will tell us the answer.
Oh my god.
Anything now?
Try and do number 3, part 3 as well. Part 3 says, explain what the numbers in part 2 means. Try and explain. Yeah, I want you all to try to write some words, write a paragraph, write an essay. I told you, right, our biggest challenge is to understand and
So essay, right?
talk about.
Right.
So scared.
Leave some space for the answer that you want to copy down. So you use some space to write down your answer. Then later let's discuss, and then we will combine and give the best answer. Alright? We will combine and give the best answer. So everyone done with part 2, go on to part 3. I want in your own words, write a few words. Check. 45, 68.
It's 95.
Oh, 95. Oh, already. 83.
Your mine is like 4. Really, man? Yeah.
95 what?
Relax.
Chill.
Relax. You see wrongly. Relax.
Okay, can? Okay, let's start with part 3. Let's start with part 3. Now, part 3 is very important because part 3 is the one students sometimes don't get a mark. Let's start. Jared, what's your answer?
Where?
Part 3, yeah?
Oh.
Explain what the numbers in part 3 means. Come. I'm going to ask everyone. Jared first.
Oh my god.
So the one who go first is the easiest. Yan-Ting, try. I have numbers here. What does it mean? Is it the number of durian, apple, orange?
The test.
Okay, the marks.
The
First
total
test,
number
the
of
second
marks
test.
between test 1 and test 2.
together, how many is scored?
Both the test together and how much they
The
scored.
total number of
The total number of
They score for the both tests.
for the both tests.
total number of both tests. Yeah.
Total number of both tests.
Yeah.
Okay. Okay, wait, okay.
Okay. Okay, the total marks for both tests.
Okay, marks is a better word than numbers. Total marks of both tests. Okay. Now, everyone look here. Now, this is the first time I'm doing this kind of teaching. Usually I would tell you what's the answer. But I noticed that when I tell you the answer, I teach, but you never learn. Because you don't know what is right, what is wrong. I say confirm correct. So you just blindly copy. But this test question is going to come out once in your life. And this is the last time. Will you ever see this in exam again? No. Exam will come out different story, different things, different what. So how do you understand the thing? How do you answer the thing correctly every time? Total marks of both tests. If I cover this, I try to imagine total mark of both tests. How many numbers do you expect to see? 12. Really?
A lot lah.
Again, total mark of both tests. 2 or 1. I add 2 marks together into 1 mark. Am I correct?
It cannot be 3.
But it cannot be 6 marks. It cannot be 6 numbers here. So is this correct? Wrong. But it's fine. This is the first time we are trying to explain numbers. Let's try to explain numbers correctly. Total marks for both tests is almost correct. Halfway already. What should we add?
in rows and columns.
Huh? What should we mention? The names. What are the names? Scored by
The three names lah.
3 students,
Yeah, which is blah blah blah.
which is blah blah blah.
Then it is specific.
Okay, so let's try. Total number of marks scored by both tests scored by 3 students.
English way.
So
later oral die.
Total marks of both tests scored by.
total mark of both tests scored by 3 students. Now, what in your mind? What are you thinking? Do you think of 6 numbers or do you think of 3 numbers?
3 numbers.
3 numbers, right? So how do I make it to 6 numbers? Very good. Science and maths. So the science and maths must come out.
Total
So
marks.
teacher, in terms of science and maths,
So total marks scored in both tests.
in terms of science and maths.
Don't sound so scientific. But you need to add what? Maths and science. Does it make sense?
Put bracket after.
No. So this is not the final answer. So what are all the keywords? The keywords are total marks. Very good. Because total mark tell us I need to add up test 1 and test 2. I need to have maths and science so that I have the 2 rows. I need to have 3 students so I have the 3 column. Now your turn. Phrase it nicely in 1 sentence.
Practice for your oral later.
I have all the important words, right? How do I piece them together into 1 sentence?
Total maths and science.
Oh my god,
students.
fail. Cannot really, The total marks score by the 3 students.
No,
No, cannot.
the total marks.
Even though so simple, right? Make it so complicated.
No, simple or difficult is fine. It's fine. If you write a paragraph, it's fine. But you need to tell us this thing, total mark. You need to have maths and science. You need to have the 3 students.
For maths and science scored by.
Total marks score by 3 students score. It's like
What will you write?
Total marks for maths and science scored by 3 students.
Oh yeah, there seems to be a chorus. I want to say it again. Oh okay. Try. There's no other road. We are learning, right?
Maths and science. No, right? Maths and science.
Total marks
Total marks
Of both mathematics
for
and
maths and
for maths and science
scored
scored by the 3 students. Very good. You understand? Now, we here we are not so much about trying to pin down your English, no. But I need to have all the important keywords.
By the time English so much practice.
Okay? But maths, there's a certain style of answering. Do you agree?
Yeah.
So I tell you the important word. The important word is, usually I don't write students. Usually I will replace with no. I will replace with Raj,
Three Raj.
Ethan, and Fahad. Okay, I will replace the students with the names. Okay, and last I will usually write the word respectively. Okay, what does the respectively here means? It means it will match. For example, is it science and maths or maths and science? It's maths and science because it starts with maths then science. Then the column here is Raj, Ethan, Fahan. So Raj, Ethan, Fahan. Respectively means it matches. This match this, this match this, this match this. It means there's a certain order. Okay. So let's repeat what Joey said.
So is Didi safe first?
Okay. Didi, come. Total, come, Didi.
Repeat.
For maths and science.
Mathematics.
The mathematics now. Scored by Raj. It's not 3 Raj. Raj, Ethan and Fahad.
Respectively.
Yeah, respectively.
Okay.
I think you can skip the homework part.
You see, you skip. I can't even spell the word respectively.
I know you want to write representative. What's this? I think you should release us now.
Now time.
Also, we supposed to be remember at 3:45 sharp. Really, man? Banyak ramai saya Cina yang pergi cuma tinggal kali.
Do you think the whole picture there looks nice?
You know?
4 July.
No!
It doesn't.
Give us a break lah.
It's still very long. If you think about it, it's too long already. So long that if I put it later than this, you will forget everything. You don't even know how to spell the word matrix.
When you open textbook, there's spelling.